Hello and welcome to a new vlog from one of the oldest streets of New York City, the Wall Street. So in the last video you would have seen me taking a trip to the Liberty Island and seeing the Lady Liberty or the Statue of Liberty. And in this trip I am continuing my day and exploring the financial district of New York City. And behind me you can see the most iconic sculpture of this street, the Charging Bull, which is the most famous attraction here, as you can probably see looking at the huge queue of people waiting to take a selfie with this bull. Statue was actually created in the year 1989 following the stock market crash of 1987 to depict the bullish spirit of America. The sculptor who made this statue, he left this statue in front of the New York Stock Exchange in the middle of the night, but then it was quickly removed from there and put here in this place called the Bowling Green. So if you're also visiting the financial district of New York City, then of course you'll come across the Charging Bull, and you can see that there's a long queue of people. So this is the queue to click a picture with his backside, which is the most famous, and I'll show you why. And then I was standing in the queue to take a picture with the front side with his face and his horns, which is a comparatively smaller queue. World's most famous stock exchange, the New York Stock Exchange, and it's right over here at the financial district. And of course we are not allowed to go inside, and we can't even go like close to the main door. They have blocked the entire pathway. But yeah, when you're coming to the financial district, then of course make a pit stop here and have a look at the world's most famous stock exchange. This entire area is so lively. There are a lot of food stalls, different cuisines that you can purchase and eat over here, and of course gift shops from where you can purchase souvenirs. And then in front we have this beautiful church which is called the Trinity Church. It's actually quite pretty. It looks very different in the midst of all these financial buildings. In front of all these tall skyscrapers, there's this small, not small, but yeah, there's this beautiful church. I'm at the 9/11 Memorial Museum. I think everybody already knows. This is the place where the Twin Towers once stood, and then on 9/11 two planes crashed into the towers, and a lot of people lost their lives. So they have built this fountain as a remembrance for the people who have lost their lives, and they have also mentioned names of people. So there are names of people, everybody who lost their lives on that day, and people come here and pay their respects.
Look ahead, the sea is calm, and I know we've been through a lot, but just wait. Wait for better days to come and carry us like wind in our sails. Hold on tight, I can smell the shore, it's right in front of us.
They also have a 9/11 museum where you can go inside and watch the details of everything that happened on that day.
If we just hold on tight, this vision that I saw is
Also here, the tall tower that you see behind me is the One World, which is apparently America's tallest tower, and it takes 47 seconds to reach the top floor, which is at 1,268 feet. And apparently it says here that the speed of the lifts are comparable to Usain Bolt's world record 100-meter sprint. So that's the One World Center, in case if you want to go visit the observation deck at the top of it. It's all at walking distance from each other, the Charging Bull, the New York Stock Exchange, and then the 9/11 Memorial and the museum.
getting closer every dawn. We are dreamers of the shore.
This building, which is known as the Oculus, which is actually a shopping mall from inside, but it has a really interesting structure from outside. Very unique. Haven't seen anything like it before. And I think, if I'm not wrong, I remember reading that Oculus was built where the base of the Twin Towers, one of the Twin Towers stood. Now we are just going to go inside Oculus. So we'll quickly take a look what's there inside. Won't spend a lot of time, I guess.
7 years now on this boat, and we all know where we belong. Just wait. Wait for our home to show on the horizon. Soon we'll be there. Hold on tight.
This is how Oculus looks from inside, and there are like small shops on both the sides. So I'm not going to go in and explore the shopping mall, but just going to go and grab something to eat because really hungry. But it's a nice place to just come inside and take a look at the architecture. And as I was saying, that the base is where the World Trade Center once stood.
Looking quite beige, got me deep in the haze.
I am sitting on the Brooklyn Bridge, which is probably one of the most famous bridges of the New York City. And this bridge was opened in 1883, and at the time of its construction, it was the longest bridge in the United States. And as you can see, this bridge is super crowded. I am here at around 5 p.m. and there isn't a single place from where you can click a picture without having people in the background. And it's a very long bridge. So that side is Brooklyn, this side is Manhattan. So this bridge connects Manhattan to Brooklyn, and over there is the Manhattan Bridge. So that's the Manhattan Bridge, this is the Brooklyn Bridge. Too many people, so in case if you want to have this bridge all by yourself and not be around so many people, then I would say come early in the morning, because in the evening this place is crazily crowded. But amazing views everywhere, in the front, at the back, of Brooklyn, of Manhattan. Beautiful views.
I set out on a road that I built with my own two hands. I met friends on the way, people chosen to make a stand. I felt strong in the sun as I walked onto pastures green. Saw forgiveness together as spaces in between. And I'll be with you through the night. And I'll turn every wrong to right. Baby, we're children of summer, we're meant to be free. Honey, we're not like the others, no reason to be. And my ventures, they brought me to places I've never been. But you can walk through this world without a few punches upon your chin.
So I'm walking on the Brooklyn Bridge towards Brooklyn. Behind me is the Manhattan skyline. Gorgeous skyline of Manhattan.
I think I lost you somewhere between 20 and 23. But I still hold you dear despite the heartbreak you caused in me. 'Cause you were with me through my nights. And you filled the darkness with shining lights, yeah. Baby, we're children of summer, we're meant to be free. Honey, we're not like the others, no reason to be. Faded is far in our lungs, so it's too hard to breathe. Lover, I live for the day you and I turn to we. I still think of you now, though my memories turning bleak. I'm still walking this road, though my knees they are ever so weak. I never thanked you for putting your faith on a bomb like me, yeah. And wherever you are, I think it's here you were meant to be. Baby, we're children of summer, we're meant to be free. Honey, we're not like the other, no reason to be.
I think I'm done for the day. I walked from Manhattan towards Brooklyn on the Brooklyn Bridge, and then walked back towards Manhattan. And now it's almost time for sunset, and the lights are starting to pop up in all the buildings. And it's been a long day. I've been out since 8 a.m. but had an amazing day. Luckily the weather cooperated. It was a beautiful, gorgeous, sunny weather. Enjoyed the views of the financial district of the Brooklyn Bridge, and of course the Statue of Liberty. In the next vlog you'll find out which is the next attraction in New York City that I'm going to visit. I have a lot of plans for tomorrow. Tomorrow is also my last day here, but I have a jam-packed program for tomorrow to see a lot of attractions in central Manhattan. Today I was in downtown Manhattan, so tomorrow it's going to be central Manhattan. So keep watching Pippilen's vlog to find out which all attractions I'm planning to visit. And till then, take care, happy traveling.